Hello friends, I am your KHS. In this video, I am going to continue the tutorial class of how to draw a human face. I already completed one class about this and I am continuing the second class. If the people who did not watch my first class, please watch and come to this video because you can know how to draw a outline. Before drawing, I have to tell about how to shade, so I just want to tell how to shade. While drawing a shading, the lines I am drawing are touching each other. As I am drawing in a zigzag way, the lines of each one is touching each other. As if you draw lines are somewhat far, as I am drawing now, if you draw like that, the shading must be looks clumsiness. So while shading, keep notice that the two lines of your drawing are must be very closer and touch each other. And we can also shade by using power and by using less power. As I am drawing now, I use more power, so it looks somewhat dark. If I use less power, it looks somewhat light. See, as I am drawing now. Here I only explained a basic how to draw a shade. If you want more information, or if you want any tips, or if you have any questions, you can message me in Instagram so I can explain you in clearly. Now I'm going to start a face. Before drawing a face, we must draw a basic shade on face. Like this I am drawing now. See it. Here draw a shade entire face by leaving eyes. See, I'm drawing now like up to down, like a basic. I'm drawing a very light shade on face. See, as I'm drawing in video, the light shade in face I'm giving to the entire face. I will zoom it, you can visible clearly. I'm drawing a basic shade. You can see in this video how I am drawing. You can also draw by leaving eyes and lips. I am drawing the basic shade. Don't draw on eyes. As I'm drawing, I skipped this. I have given already shading on this video full of this face. Now blend on this by using any blend items, earbud, tissue, paintbrush, etc. I have already blended on this by leaving eyes and lips. Now I'm going to draw an eye. As we see in photo, the eyes, how the eyes are there and eyeballs are looking like, you have to draw by observing it clearly. The sides of that image are somewhat darker, so I'm drawing it. Be careful when you're drawing. You must observe it clearly so you can put that in a paper of your sketch. Observation is very important. I'm telling from the first day of my tutorial. I have completed the ball of left eye. Now I'm going to the right one. I am rechecking it again if anything I misses or not. I have drawn it correctly, so I'm coming to the another eye. Don't worry if you are not getting. Be practicing more, so it may help you how to draw. completed 2 eyeballs. Now I'm going to draw the upper part of eye. Just check the upper part is darker or lighter. In this image the upper part is darker, so I'm drawing in a dark. In the same way the other side also is dark, so I'm drawing it in a dark. I'm keeping paper under my hands to secure from oil marks. Oil marks may be drawback to your sketch, so secure from it by keeping anything under your hand. Here the edges of eyes are also dark, so I am drawing here, and observe the steps how I am drawing and how I am completing this sketch. Now I am coming to nose. The 2 holes of nose are dark, so I am drawing it dark. Now I am coming to lips. The edges of lips are darker, so I am drawing it first. You can see how I am drawing in this video clearly. See how slowly and carefully I am drawing. You should also draw it slowly and carefully. Patience is the key. I completed the darker parts of face. Now I'm going to draw eyebrows. I came it last because some air fallen on it, so I came it last. You can also draw after completing the eye portion. Just now we started drawing ear, and my reference image, the left part of the face is somewhat light, so I am drawing it light. According to your reference page, you must draw it dark or lighter. Now I am coming to the right ear of the reference image. It also looks somewhat light, so I'm drawing lightly only. And I'm also blending on it, as you see how I'm blending with using earbud. I'm just blending the shapes where we have under ears, eyes, nose and lips, and just I completed the basic shade and I will detail it later. And I'm going to draw my shoulder and neck portion. In the same way, first shade the complete neck lightly, how we shaded face before. I'm using earbud to blend. You can also use any blend items while blending, and I'm drawing it light because my reference image is very light, so I'm drawing it light. You also draw according to your reference images. You can also observe the difference between white paper and I have drawn. The slight change, you can observe it. We have just completed the basic shade on our facial parts, and I'm going to give more detailing. Here my left part of nose have somewhat darker, so I'm making it darker, and under chin also I had darker. I will also make it darker according to my reference image. I have to see and check it, and I have to draw it like that according to your reference image. You can also darker and give detailing according to your reference image. And now here I'm giving more detailings. You can also feel the difference according to your reference image. You should detail. You can also feel it, my sketch slowly converting to realistic. You can also make like this by more practicing or following the simple steps which I followed here in this tutorial. If you have any questions or tips, you can ask me. You can approach me by Instagram. You can message me in Instagram, so I will reply you, and I can help you, and I can give you a simple tips. I will place my link in description, so you can follow me and message me. Here in my tutorial classes, I did not even skip or I did not speed up my video, because for your better understanding, if you also face any problems while in my explanation, you can text me. You can comment me. I can read it and I may rectify it for my coming videos, so you can also understand it easily. So please comment your feel after watching this video, so I can rectify my problems in my coming videos. I have drawn a tiny lines on lips because lip contain tiny lines on it, so I have drawn it, and I am also blending it. I am just using a less power. You can also feel my hand movement. After blending it, I am drawing the darker sides of lip. You can see it. Observe carefully how I am drawing lines on lip. I am drawing very lightly because generally lips lines will be not dark, so I am drawing very light. And feel the hand movement. You can see my hand movement also, how I am drawing. You can see that I'm using only single pencil in this drawing because these videos are making for beginners. My advice for beginners are use common pencil which we use in our daily lives. I am also blending the darker portions and lighter portions. If the portion is dark, blend with some power. If the portion is light, blend with less power. That's the key. According to my reference image, I am drawing the details, and according to your reference image, make sure that you are also drawing all details. Here the center part of nose is white due to light effect, I'm rubbing it, and rub according to your reference image where the white portion is there. Rub it slowly and use less power while rubbing. And here the left side of face is also have white due to light effect. I'm rubbing it, you can see and you can feel it how I'm rubbing also. Here the left side of neck also white, so I'm rubbing it. Friends, this is end of class 2. I shaded and detailed in this class. In my class 3 I will continue the process. You can also comment me your feel after watching it, and you can also give me any suggestions so I can rectify it in my next videos. So you can also happy to see it. So support me, subscribe KHS Arts.